my dad used to tell me these little stories. Often he would be doing a eulogy at a funeral, and he would be asked to do the eulogy in Yiddish, and the rabbi would be doing the eulogy in English. And he came, after a funeral, he came back and he said, you know, I met a rabbi, and he did after I said the eulogy, I spoke what I had to say. The rabbi looked at him and said, where have you been? That's a good Yiddish. And my father looked at him, where have you been? I've been here. So it was like the attitude of the rabbi to my dad, the Jewish educator. They didn't know each other. It's a big community here. And that's the beauty of being in Toronto, I guess. It's a vibrant community with different strands and different sects and cultures within. We're not a simple people.